Okay guys, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready for your challenge? This is we'll do it again. I forgot. That didn't work. Oh yeah, it was Survivors. It's Army Men Survivors, guys. Are you up for it? Yeah, we are. I am the leader. Your first task is to go down the waterfront and up to see if you can survive. Down. The waterfront to do. Do you think you can survive? I don't think so. Let's find out. Oh no! It's not good water weather. Our heroes seem to be stuck. Let's do it to the rescue! Some of them have lost their balance. Some of them are almost dead. Going down. Oh no! 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 So you can see them going down. Going down. Over die! Look at that little tiny creature right there. It's going down. It's down right there. It's down right there. Let me zoom in. Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm going to crash! What is going to happen? Going down the Mossy River. He's moving. He's moving down. He's moving down. He's moving down. Oh, that's disgusting. Look at that. Ooh. That's disgusting. Our hero seems to be trapped under the water of the boat. He raised. He's going down. Whoa. Oh, he ducks down. Da-da-da. That is truly disgusting, guys. Okay.